In this video, we will be replacing the map lights in this 2012 Ford F150. Through the driver's side door, we can see the location of our map lights, and taking a little closer look, we can see those map lights located in that upper console assembly. In this vehicle, we have two map lights, one on each side. And for removal, we're going to begin by pulling down the front left side, followed by the front right side. And with our assembly released, we do have two wiring harnesses. Each of these harnesses have a small tab that needs to be depressed so that we can remove those harnesses from the assembly. And taking a look at our assembly, we want to remove our lens cover. So if we flip that up, we can locate our two retaining tabs, and applying a little bit of upward pressure on the lens cover, and with a standard head screwdriver, we can depress those tabs and get that to pop off just a little bit. And then we can very carefully work that lens cover off. And we can work that reflective shield off as well. And we are left with clear access to our map light bulbs. These can be pulled straight out. I do like to compare my old bulb with my new bulbs. Now, according to the book, this does take a W5W bulb. Those are not sold in my area. However, there are several compatible type bulbs that will work. So we will be installing a 2825 bulb. And we will be using some cloth gloves, as you want to avoid touching the glass with your fingers. And our bulbs can then be worked in place. And we can add that foil reflective plate, followed by our lens. And back inside the vehicle, we have our two wiring harnesses. And then we can work that unit back in place.